Hey, good morning everyone. Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Today is a little cold day again. I think we're on the 19 degrees and I'm on one of the work vents. I'm heading out to another job that we have. It's a fairly large job. We're gonna be doing some carpet and tile. Hopefully I get to film a little bit of the cleaning. We also have some rug cleaning in the shop, and I can show you some of that, how it turns out. Stay tuned for those chats, those videos, and hopefully you like what we got going on today. Usually we don't go on driveways like this, but we have no options. This is what we got going on today, and it's a little difficult to drive on a driveway that you don't see it. All right, it's the end of the day today, and it was a very long day for us. We ended up doing some tile cleaning, some carpet cleaning. The van got on the snow. Oh yeah, I got on the grass because I couldn't see it, and now I cannot get out. Let's see how we pulled this off. We got it out. It was a really tense day today, but we got things done. A happy client, and we're gonna come back to this house to do a little more. But I hope you enjoyed the video. We had to trim a little bit because we got a lot of footage that we had to cut off, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and if you need any help or you have any comment, please leave a comment on this video, or if you're here in Louisville, Kentucky, please give us a call. We would love to help you. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.